Ta-da! Yes, today we'll be doing a room tour. My bedroom comes beauty room tour. Okay, it's very messy now. And as you can see, my makeup items is all scattered around, and there's the dustbin. Yes, pardon me for the lightings and also for the sound quality because I'm not bringing my mic and the lightings over. And this is, yeah, my makeup area. It's very messy, isn't it? Okay. Let me start off with the toilet. This is the toilet. This is my master bedroom, and this here is a customized wardrobe. And yes, my room is purple because purple is one of my favorite colors and purple is romantic. And this is my bed. Yeah, there are two blankets over here. This is mine and this is Mr. Guan, because he keep complaining that every night I will cocoon myself with the blanket. I will snatch his share. So in the end, you will have no blanket and he will develop cold. So we decided to have two blankets instead. One for myself, one for him. And this is my little corner. Okay, my father just bought me 4 peacock feathers. What is that? He heard from the radios that peacock feathers helps to prevent lizard. I don't know how true. I still have a little small lizard over in the living room. Yeah, because of the hot and humid weather here in Singapore, there's a lot of pests. Common pests like cockroach, ants, lizards, spiders. Yeah, and yeah, this is the curtains, the window, nothing much. Okay, this is the side. Oh yeah, let me show you this one first. This is one of my most satisfied purchase, which is the crystal light. Too bright, I think you cannot see. And once the light is on, it will have this kind of flowering wallpaper effect. And this is the Ikea clock, and this is where I just dump all my bags over there. And these are the areas where I keep the makeup. As you can see, I have really no space. Okay, luggage. These are the used damaged luggage. Damaged because the wheel is spoiled. I watched a few YouTube hacks. They were mentioning that you can just use the luggage, the used luggage, as a storage unit. And obviously it's a great idea, but the thing is, I bought too much makeup. So these transparent boards are bought from Daiso, which is 2 Sing dollar. And these are the pallets. Very messy, right? Yeah, and then another luggage with all my makeup items. And then these are the chairs with my makeup items as well. So today I'm going to clear up all this. Not clear actually. To gather all these makeup items into one place. And today we are going to Ikea for some shopping. So I'm looking at the Ikea Kallax shelf units, or 4x4 shelf. So hopefully I can gather all my makeup on that shelf. So now I'm going to clean up and change my camera battery. No more battery. See you in a while. Bye. Alright dears, I've already cleared out this area for the shelf. Hey, this is my leg. And now my room has become more messy. See, I transfer the makeup onto my bed and onto the floor. As you can see, the space here is quite narrow. I like to have the Kallax drawer, the white drawers that every beauty YouTubers have. I don't seem to have much space to pour the drawers. So that's why I've chose the Kallax shelf. Alright, so I'll stop here for now. So I'll be getting ready to go to Ikea. Yeah, over here we pronounce Ikea as Ikea. I know some of you dears in the US pronounce as Ikea, but here we pronounce, most of us will pronounce as Ikea. Okay, see you in a while, probably in the late evening. Then after that, when the shelf is here, I will transfer all this on the shelf, and hopefully it will be enough to contain and have more space for new makeup. Bye bye.
Going to eat first. What are you going to eat, Lulu?
Okay, let's find a place first.
Yes.
Coffee?
You want this, or beers?
I don't know what to eat.
This is curry puff. Curry puff.
Before and after. This is 有点 retro 哎 I like.
这个不是我们家的咯。
Wow. Oh yeah, I want this. I want this basket.
Yes, this basket is $69. $9 each. Yes.
There's a giant ant here.
Yes.
So scary.
For makeup.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, okay, yes.
Check it out. Are you dancing?
Smart right?
Okay, this is my temporary arrangement as of now. I didn't fully utilize the space yet, and there are still some rather empty cubicles. That means I can buy more makeup to fill up the space. And then the bags here, I'll just put it like this temporary. I want to buy baskets to contain them. Okay, my first two rows are basically my eyeshadow palettes and face products, lipsticks. Okay, got to buy some organizer to maximize the space, not minimize. How do you dislike it?
Very messy.
Yeah, it's still messy,
And don't
but
buy,
it's more organized.
don't buy more makeup. You have a lot of makeup already.
I still got empty space, you know.
Don't buy more makeup.
Okay, some makeups are in the living room
You see?
and also in the computer room,
You see?
so it's still scattered around because I need them to do video review. Alright, gotta stop here now. Very tired already, so I'm going to sleep now. See you later. I'll see you again. I'll see you later. Bye bye.